Hello, welcome again. Okay, today to change the page orientation of a single page in an MS Word document, just highlight the page you want to change its orientation. For instance, in this page, I want to change the orientation of this page. I want to change it to landscape, then leave others at portrait. After highlighting the page, go to the layout view. You can go through this place, go to landscape. However, I'm going to teach you how to change the page orientation of a single page in an MS Word document. You see this small arrow facing diagonal, click on it. Then on the page setup dialog box, head down to the orientation, click on landscape, then go over to the preview section, click to apply to the selected text only. Then click OK. You see, I have succeeded in changing this particular page to landscape while every other pages remains in portrait. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to click like if you like this video and click the subscribe button. Thank you.